So here we got a Tesla. I actually know how to use this car. I mean, I don't drive, but I still know how to use cars. Let me see something. So it's at 40%, but how do I see? What's the window? And then this is how you open the door. So right here, as you can see, this is the signal. I don't know how to, but I kind of do want a Tesla. I'm not gonna lie, but I actually know how to use the steering wheel. But let me put my seatbelt on. Wow, the seats feel kind of comfortable. Yeah, I'm in the Tesla right now. So this is how you open a Tesla door. And yeah, I got my spring on, so. And you just, open the door and it opens automatically. Now all you have to do is slam it, and that's it.